Question 1. He is short, strong. Option B is the correct answer. She was crying, she was happy. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. He worked hard, he succeeded. Option D is the correct answer. Question 4. He didn't come, he was busy. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. Wait here, I return. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. I don't know, he is at home. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. We can watch a movie, go for dinner. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. I called him, he didn't answer. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. She is rich, unhappy. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. You can come with me, stay at home. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. He runs fast, he is healthy. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. We stayed home, it was snowing outside. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. He is clever, lazy. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. I will help you, you ask me. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. They wanted to play, it was raining. Option A is the correct answer.